Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies the future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger. Eyes on the target, because it is time. One target, one mission. designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
Leap into the limitless possibilities at the Naga College Foundation Incorporated College of Computer Studies, where your journey to becoming a tech visionary begins. We provide cutting-edge curriculum and state-of-the-art facilities to create an ideal setting for hands-on learning and innovation. We offer 4 programs where you will develop your critical thinking and problem-solving, equipped with technical skills in fostering professional growth. Your future in tech starts here. Choose NCF College of Computer Studies.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences, where we invest in shaping the future of the healthcare industry, with competent clinical instructors that guarantee students to obtain the best possible hands-on instruction. With multiple private and public linkages, along with community-based programs that further elevate our students' learning experience. Our institution provides immersive laboratories, AI-powered patient models to innovate learning environments to help the students to gain hands-on experience with the current technology. Be part of us as we go on a quest to build a healthier future while unlocking your full potential here at Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences.
To empower the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and CM engineer. Enroll now.
Here at the NCF, you can build a salient foundation for your career.
Our department can offer you the best academic journey.
College of Teacher Education can give you first-hand experience to hone your specialties with its equipment that can enhance your skills and knowledge.
Also, to develop lifelong learners who are globally competent and ethically efficient and responsive to the needs of the time.
Do you want to leap into your future? Be part of the College of Teacher Education.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies. College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies a future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers a high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger. Eyes on the target, because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges.
Naga, we are now on our finals appearance of our women's volleyball. It is University of Nueva Cáceres versus Naga College Foundation Tigers para sa ating huling labanan para sa kampyonato sa ating women's volleyball. It is your commentators this evening. I am Cristina Alcanzar Reyes, and with me is Rick Barta na maghahatid po sa inyo ng maaksyon at magagandang laban ngayong gabi.
Ayan, nagbabalik ulit tayo dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court for our final match this morning or this evening, kasi gabi na nga dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court. Again, after this, makikilala natin kung sino ang hihiranging champion dito sa Bucal Season 6 Women's Division. And right after this match, we have the awarding ceremony dito sa araw na ito.
Kaya naman, in just a few minutes, we're going to start this intense matchup. At ngayon nga, kitang-kita natin from the first finals game 1 of this women's volleyball, it is UNC Greyhounds that get it. Tapos doon sa ating pangalawang laro, it is NCF Tigers kanina lamang na umaga. And now, for our finals game 3, titingnan natin kung sino nga ba sa dalawang ito ang talagang tutuloy at magiging kampiyon ng ating Bicol Universities and Colleges Athletic League Season 6.
Ayan, kitang-kita nga natin dito sa ating screen. Nag-warm up na dito ang UNC Greyhounds, making sure na kondisyon ang katawan and prepare dito sa ating third game. So, very exciting match between this NCF versus UNC kasi umabot tayo sa ating game number 3. So, let's see. Kasi this is the last year, this is the last push for this both teams. So, kanino mapupunta ang panalong ito? Pag nanalo dito ang UNC Greyhounds, talagang it's a big achievement on their side to defeat our defending champion. And kung manalo naman dito ang ating NCF Tigers, 5-pit championship ang kanilang ipagdidiriwang dito sa araw na ito. So, kaabang-abang ang matchup between these two teams. So, tutok lamang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And of course, sa mga nandito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court, our live audiences na nakatutok simula patin sa ating game number 1 up until this last match this evening. And to know more about the preparations on the side of Naga College Foundation Tigers and to defend their championship, let's call our courtside reporter, Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tina. Good evening, Bicolandia, and to all our volleyball fans all around the world na nakatutok pa rin sa atin here at Bucal Facebook page o Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We are now on the game 3 of the finals. Ako po muli si Kyla Casulia at ako ang inyong makakasama on the side of the Naga College Foundation Lady Tigers. Even in their short preparation, oras lang ang pagitan, pero handang-handa na silang muling i-defend ang kanilang kampyonato. Rick and Tina, pag nanalo nga sila sa matchup na ito, they will have their 5-pit championship here in Bucal. According to their coaches, they focus on their mental preparation. They need to regain their strength and focus dahil isang set lang nga ang championship match na ito. Dagdag pa ng team, a wounded tiger is a dangerous beast. So we can expect that the Tigers will give their 101% for this game. Makuha kaya nila ito at maiuwi nila ang 5-pit championship. Yan ang ating dapat abangan at tutukan only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. For now, balik sa inyo, Rick and Team.
Thank you so much, Kyla. Yan nga, handang-handa nga itong Naga College Foundation Lady Tigers to get this win against UNC Greyhounds. And ito nga yung sinasabi natin kanina na itong NCF Tigers, marami mga errors doon sa mga naganap na una nilang mga laro against UNC Greyhounds. Kailangan nilang tutukan yung mga errors na yun. Kailangan nilang bawasan if they really want to snatch the win and claim the championship this evening. And of course, sa ating screen po ngayon, the President of Naga College Foundation, we have Mr. Mario C. Villanueva with his daughter, and of course, sa kanya pong asawa na si Ma'am Noemi Villanueva. Maraming salamat po sa panonood ninyo. And back on this gameplay of our finals for our women's volleyball. Sa side naman ng UNC Greyhounds, para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from their side, tawagin natin si Zai. Hi Zai, anong balita natin dyan?
Magandang gabi sa aking favorite commentators, Tin and Rick. And of course, good evening to our volleyball enthusiasts watching across Bicolandia. I welcome all of you to the Game 3 of the NCF Tigers versus the UNC Greyhounds Women's Volleyball Edition. It's a race to 15 game today at kakatapos lang ng ating finals for the men's division, which left the court craving for more actions. The Greyhounds are feeling better than ever as they managed to own their last game against the Tigers. All they need is just to win another round to secure their crown. Heavy on the pressure pero hindi pa rin naman nila kakalimutan mag-enjoy sa loob ng court since these will be the moments that they'll cherish the most. Again, this is your courtside reporter Shulomar Zaimeniano wishing our athletes the courtside glow on a game day flow. Only here on Bucal's official Facebook page and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Rick.
Thank you so much, Azai, for that update. So yun nga, napakinggan nga natin dito na heavy on the pressure because again, NCF is our reigning champion para dito sa ating ligang ito. So, let's see kung magpa-perform pa ng maayos ang ating defending champion para ma-defend dito ang title sa Bucal Season 6. Yan ang aabangan natin.
We're seeing the supporters of NCF Tigers and UNC Greyhounds. And in just a few minutes, we're going to see and witness this much-awaited matchup of those two teams. Ngayon na po, ang pinakahuling laban ngayong gabing ito. Again, this is the fans na nanonood po sa atin up until now dito sa loob ng NCF covered court. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsubaybayan, of course, sa ating mga live audience, sa ating Facebook Live. We have Oragon Sports TV, GNN TV 48 Naga, and Bucal Facebook page. Maraming salamat po. At isa-shoutout din po namin kayo maya lamang. At kitang-kita naman natin na napupuno na po ulit paunti-unti ang ating NCF covered court. At sa ating balik, it will be the set number 1 of the finals, Game 3 of UNC Greyhounds and Naga College Foundation Lady Tigers, only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies a future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate.
And we are back here sa loob ng NCF covered court for our Game G of the Finals sa ating women's division ng Volleyball Bucal Season 6. Again, matchup between NCF Tigers versus UNC Greyhounds. So, kanino kaya mapupunta ang ating corona dito sa ating Bucal Season 6 Women's Volleyball? Yan ang aabangan natin. At again, thank you so much po sa lahat ng mga live audiences dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court sa walang sawang pagsuporta at pagtutok sa magagandang matches dito sa Bucal Season 6. And of course, thank you so much po sa ating mga live viewers sa Oragon Sports TV, Gen TV48 Naga, and Bucal. Talaga namang palaging marami yung nanunood sa atin. So, we're very grateful na kasama namin kayo sa panunood ng mga magagandang matchup dito sa ating liga. Now, in a few minutes, magsisimula na ang bakbakan between these two teams at ipapakilala na ang first six dito sa dalawang kupunan na magdadala sa kanila sa championship.
Kaya naman Rick, shoutout muna natin ang mga nanonood sa atin po ng live. Shoutout kay Chanshar Sambo Nicolas, Audrey Cibulo Pogoy, kay Vlogs Patawa, Gia Bailon Rembulat at kay Jot Abante na sumusuporta po sa ating dalawang teams ngayong gabing ito. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. And in just a few minutes, we're going to start this intense matchup of UNC Greyhounds and NCF Lady Tigers. At nasabi na nga natin kanina kung paano ba yung performance na pinakita ng dalawang kupunan. There are a lot of errors, ang daming attack errors, but at the same time, marami pa rin ginagawa itong dalawang kupunan na ito para makuha yung panalo nila ngayong gabing ito. Now, we're seeing here the starting lineup of both teams. We have here Pepino, Servidad, Santos, Abitria, Antang,
and on the other side of things, we have Martires, We have Arizobal, Nuestro, and the rest of the team. Na talaga namang bibigyan tayo ng napakagandang bakbakan dito sa gabing ito. Now, jersey number 8 to serve on the side of Greyhounds.
The NCF Tigers, Petito. Servidad with strong attack. Arizobal. One more time for NCF. Servidad naman ngayon, soft touch. But now, it is Martinez with that attack. Ball is still alive.
We have a long rally here. Petito, kanino ibibigay? Setting up, Kisha Arbitria.
And the Petria asking that it was check ball.
And point awarded on the side of UNC Greyhounds.
Start of momentum for the Greyhounds side. And it's time for jersey number 8 here.
Servidad babawi. Nice dig. Arizabal will try. Andon si Kutitub. Servidad soft touch. Bantay sarado. And a free ball will be given on the side of NCF Tigers. Back set to Servidad. And it was outside.
That's 2 times in a row that the team captain of Petria telling the first referee that it was a check ball. But it was the final decision. It is UNC Greyhounds having that point. 2-0. And this time, nakuha na nga ng NCF Tigers sa kanilang unang putos with an outside serve of UNC Greyhounds.
Pepino on deck to serve para sa NCF.
Well, let's see here. Nababawi ang NCF Lady Tigers.
Ball is still alive. Arizobal will try. Outside. Deadlock at 2. Again, the intensity inside the NCF covered court. Wow. Damang-dama natin ang tensyon sa loob ng court. Pepino again to serve. Straight to the net.
Now a point lead of UNC Greyhounds.
Batter first ball this time. And Santos with that quick hit.
Effective pa rin talaga kapag si Santos yung andyan. Talagang hindi alintana yung mga bantay ng UNC Greyhounds. Now, we're tied on 3-all.
Great rejection at the net. Kanino isa-set. Servidad with that powerful attack. And successful. Nakabawi naman dito itong si Servidad on the side of NCF because nag-error siya kanina. So anong sagot dito ng Greyhounds after that attack?
Nabuhay na buhay itong fans ng NCF and UNC Greyhounds, and we can really see that they really want to get this win. Very crucial. No room for errors. Kasi pumikat ka lang ayun. Makukuhanan ka ng puntos dito na Petria once again serving.
Great serve! And Santos Again, tinabanggit mo dito kung gaano kabantay sarado ang net dito ni Santos. Look at that. Overpass. And Santos with a regalo.
And also, talagang ito si Santos. Kapag andyan, siguradong, mahirap para sa mga kalaban niya.
Another heavy serve. Arizobal will try. Andon si Valdez. Antang finding that donut hole.
And look at that, Rick. They are celebrating every point they got because it's very crucial. It's very important. Because I think this is just race to 15.
Yes.
Set. So talagang kailangan kuha kung kuha yung mga puntos dito ng dalawang kupunan.
Bitri again with that powerful serve. You know what? Kargado talaga ang service dito ni Kisha. Look at that. The spin of the ball. UNC Greyhounds cannot contain that one. That's why mapapatawag sila dito ng timeout. Wow. The energy. Talagang nandito. Ramdam na ramdam. At kung naririnig nga po tayo dito sa loob ng NCF covered court, hiyawan ng Go NCF and Go UNC. Talagang palitan dito ng cheer.
But at the same time, no room for complacency para dito sa NCF side. Kasi napakabilis lang yan kapag nabawian ng UNC. Nako, baka sunod-sunod na yung pagpuntos dito ng kabilang kupunan. So they need to maintain their composure. They need to maintain this momentum of NCF Lady Tigers. Kasi kapag nasimulan yung error ng kanilang kupunan, baka magsunod-sunod na din yan.
Because we've seen that on their previous matches. Talagang itong UNC, paunti-unti din naghahabol. That's why nagkakaroon sila ng chance na makadikit or even makalamang dito sa ating game na ito.
At isa din sa naging problema dito ng NCF Tigers kung bakit sila nahahabol yung kanilang mga error. And speaking of that error, it was a service error coming from Kisha Abetria. Now, Antang.
Ball is still alive. Arizobal. Too strong. Again, nabanggit natin ang errors dito. Arizobal and the rest of the UNC Greyhounds players, they need to avoid and minimize those errors because nakita na natin, change ends natin because again, this is race to 15 only.
Very crucial. They need to have this momentum. But at the same time, knowing UNC Girls, kanina pa natin sinasabi, andyan yan, lalaban kung lalaban itong Greyhounds. Very worthy opponent of NCF Tigers. Now let's see as we continue this first set, 4-8 on our scoreboard. Pitong puntos na lang para sa NCF Tigers so they can snatch that first set.
Arizobal will try and Arizobal will score. Let's take a look one more time on our instant replay. Again, Sheena Arizobal, one of the most reliable player on the side of UNC Greyhounds. So they should maximize Arizobal pag nasa front line ito. Good serve. And now Antang, babawi ba? Andon si Nuestro. Jersey number 8 with that cross-court hit. 2 straight points on the side of UNC.
What a good run for UNC Greyhounds. The NCF Tigers, after that changing of ends, they stuck on 8 points. And now, it is UNC Greyhounds momentum. Now, let's see if this will continue now. Antang. Guarded on the net.
So a free ball, chance on the side of NCF to score. Antang with that cross-court hit then. Palitan dito ng atake itong dalawang kupunan.
Ramdam na ramdam natin yung kaba ng mga supporters. Dahil sobrang limitado lang ng puntos natin ngayon. So no room for errors at this point.
Jersey number 8 will try with that soft touch. Ball is still alive though. But walang kumuha on that second chance or second ball.
(7-9). 6 points away on getting this ang NCF Tigers.
Titub setting up Antang, soft touch. Buhay pa rin ang bola. Free ball will be given on the side of the NCF Tigers. Babalikan si Antang with that powerful hit and breaking down the wall on the side of UNC.
Now Antang to serve. (7-10).
Here we go again. Free ball on the side of NCF. Abitria, andon yung depensa ng UNC. Jersey number 8 will try. Andon si Antang. One more time for Keisha.
And that's a check ball. They really fought for it. They really fought for that last sequence because it was check ball. So the point will go on to the side of NCF Tigers. Whoa, we can hear the violent reaction of the crowd. Antang, 7-11.
Free ball on the side of NCF. Chance for them to add their lead here. And Abitria successful on that attack.
But one of the players of UNC Greyhounds is now down.
Let's hope na this is nothing serious on the side of UNC Greyhounds.
But she's crying now because of that incident. I hope that she's okay.
Yes. Let's hope na sprain lang itong nangyari dito.
This Tahoe is one of the key players of UNC Greyhounds. So losing her right now at this crucial point of their matchup against NCF Tigers, a very big change yung gagawin dito ng UNC Greyhounds. And it will be Chavez substitute dito kay Destajo. And even Chavez, maganda din naman yung pinapakita niyang performance dito sa side ng Greyhounds. But still, let's see if she can help her team to rise up again with this 5-point lead of NCF Tigers. Now Antang to serve.
Another great serve. And with that great serve, nakakuha ulit dito ng puntos ang NCF at mapapatawag ng timeout dito yung UNC Greyhounds. Because again, they're behind here. 13-7 is our score.
Anong gagawin dito ng Greyhounds? Because it is NCF that is down to 2 points only before they get the set. 7-13, maganda kasi yung naging simula dito sa NCF Tigers. At once na maganda yung nasimulan mo doon sa side ng Tigres, ako magdidire-diretso na nga. Sinabi na nga din ni Kyla that a wounded Tiger is very dangerous. And we can see that right now.
Yes. So this is the big question. What would be the answer and the adjustment on the side of UNC Greyhounds? Because again, 2 more points na lamang itong NCF to win this one. And nakikita natin dito ang mga kargadong service. And jersey number 8 catches the end line. Wow, the fighting spirit on the side of UNC Greyhounds. So far dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds, itong si jersey number 8 talaga yung porsyento kung pumalo.
Now she will be serving that ball. 8-13. There is some rotational violation.
So, a crucial rotational error. So, our official says that it should be Chavez. It should be Chavez yung magsaserve on the side of UNC Greyhound.
And they're shouting for isa na lang for NCF Tigers.
Kutitob to serve. Great serve. Great dig then. In the middle, Pepino! And that's it. Pepino ending this match. And with that, NCF Tigers 5-peat champion dito sa ating Bucal League. Congratulations to Naga College Foundation on winning this one. On your screen, the celebration, the tears, the sweat, all worth it on the side of Naga College Foundation Tigers. And of course, let's give a round of applause on the side of UNC Greyhounds for battling it sa ating game number 3. They push the NCF Tigers. They really work hard for their team to get to this final appearance. Congratulations for these both teams. And don't go away because when we come back, magkakaroon po tayo ng awarding ceremony only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Championship of Naga College Foundation Lady Tigers. Congratulations on getting that win, and also congratulations din sa University of Gloffa sa isang magandang labang ipinakita po sa amin ngayon. At mamaya po, it will be the awarding ceremony sa S2 Quad. Live na live pa rin po yan.
Again, talagang napakaganda ng aksyon dito sa Bucal Season 6. And that concludes this season. Congratulations to BU Wolves on winning the men's division and NCF Tigers for winning the women's division. Ako pa rin, si Rick Puerta.
And I am Cristina Cazo Reyes. Isang magandang season na naman po muli ang ating pinagsamahan at magkikita-kita ulit tayo sa next season ng Bicol Universities and Colleges Athletic League. Dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.